To make our great Chinese lantern, we will need some yellow and red card, a Stanley knife, a stapler, a pencil, and a ruler. We begin by measuring 2 lines on the top and the bottom of the red card like this. After that, we rule lines across the card in the other direction. This should all be the same width. Now, using the Stanley knife on a chopping board, cut along the lines. Stanley knives can be dangerous. You should ask an adult for help with this. Once this is complete, we cut the yellow card to be a bit smaller than the red card. Then, bend it in the long edges of the red card and staple them to the yellow card, leaving a little bit of yellow as a nice fringe. For the finishing touch, we roll up the yellow card and staple the sides. Isn't that wonderful? Our own Chinese lantern!